operation after an unknown energy surge erupts from an abandoned polar research zone. The immense Me-26 carries heavy drilling equipment. The powerful Sikorsky CH-53K transports an elite rescue team. The historic Me-6 brings veteran navigators. The versatile V-22 Osprey delivers rapid response scouts. And the skeletal Sikorsky CH-54 Tarhay hauls a mysterious containment module. As the fleet hovers over ice fissures glowing with shifting colors, their crews discover fragments of an ancient mechanism buried beneath the frozen crust. The machines begin reacting to the helicopter's engines, resonating in haunting harmonics. With a storm approaching and the mechanism awakening, the 5 aerial giants must combine their strengths to uncover the truth behind the signal before it reshapes the polar landscape forever. Time is running out as ancient forces stir beneath the trembling ice field now.
For WiseUp, quick tips, smart insights, and wisdom in minutes.